If you feel tired, bloated, moody, or simply off, your body may be trying to tell you it's missing key nutrients. Here are the signs you should never ignore. The first sign is constant fatigue. When your body lacks iron, B12, or magnesium, your energy production slows, leaving you exhausted no matter how much you sleep. The second sign is weak nails or hair loss. This may signal deficiencies in biotin, zinc, protein, or omega-3s. The third sign is dry skin or cracks at the corners of your mouth. This often comes from low levels of B vitamins or essential fatty acids. The fourth sign is muscle cramps or twitching. These are classic signs of low magnesium, potassium, or calcium. The fifth sign is frequent infections. A weak immune system can point to low vitamin C, zinc, and vitamin D. Another sign is poor sleep or anxiety. Magnesium, omega-3s, and B vitamins are needed to calm the nervous system. And the seventh sign is food cravings, especially for sweets or salty foods. Your body may be asking for nutrients it isn't getting from your diet. Your body speaks, and nutrient deficiencies are one of the earliest signals. When you feed your body what it truly needs, your mood, energy, skin, digestion, and sleep all begin to improve. Like, share, and subscribe for more natural wellness tips, and follow at Behealfit_com for daily guidance.